is coming off its worst trading day.
Put this in perspective for you, what Apple investors are facing as
single stock options expiring today.
Apple's AI push could face hurdles in the company's second largest market.
Yo, what's good? Money chasers. Welcome back to Be Rich Formulas, where we turn your dollars into dreams. Today, we're diving into the wild world of options trading. The high-octane strategy that can skyrocket your returns to the moon or wipe out your account faster than you can say margin called. I'm breaking down options trading 101 with real examples, like a Tesla trade that made 200% in a week. Stick around for 10 minutes to learn how to play this game without getting burned. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the action. Let's roll. All right, let's start with the basics. What the heck are options?
There are more than six.
Imagine you're at a car dealership, but instead of buying a car outright, you pay $500 to reserve the right to buy it later at a set price. That's an option. In the stock market, an option is a contract giving you the right, but not the obligation to buy or sell a stock at a specific price, called the strike price, before a deadline, called the expiration date. There are two types, calls and puts. A call bets the stock's going up, saying, yo, Tesla's gonna hit 500. A put bets it's going down, Tesla's crashing to $300. Options are cheap compared to stocks, so you can control 100 shares for pennies on the dollar. Ex-users like Board Trade Riser are hyped, saying options, leverage to the max. But here's the catch. Leverage means big wins or big losses. Let's see how it works. Why mess with options? Two words, insane returns. Unlike stocks, where a 10% move is nice, options can deliver 100%, 200%, even 1,000% gains in days. Let's use a real example. Tesla, ticker TSLA. In March 2025, Tesla's stock jumped from $400 to $480 after a killer earnings report. Say you bought a $420 call option expiring in a week for $5 per contract, $500 total, since one contract controls 100 shares. When Tesla hit $480, that option's now worth $60. You sell, pocketing $6,000. A 100% gain in a week? Compare that to buying 100 Tesla shares at $40,000. You'd only make $8,000. Ex-users are buzzing about these wins. Options let you bet big with less cash, and that's why traders are obsessed. But hold up, this ain't a fairy tale. Options are a double-edged sword, and the risks are brutal. Here's the dark side. Options expire. If Tesla doesn't hit your strike price by the expiration date, your contract's worthless. Poof, $500 gone. In that Tesla example, if TSLA stayed at $400, you'd lose your entire $500 premium. Plus, options are leveraged, so small stock moves can wipe you out. In 2025, tariff fears tanked stocks like Apple ex-user, our Risky Rick, posted, "My AAPL puts got crushed when it didn't dip." And don't forget, time decay options lose value as expiration nears, even if the stock's flat. Warren Buffett calls options financial weapons of mass destruction for a reason. So options can make you rich, but they can also leave you crying into your ramen. Let's get practical. How do you actually trade options? I'm walking you through a hypothetical Tesla call trade in 2025, step by step. Step 1. Pick a stock. Tesla's volatile, perfect for options. Say it's at $450, and you think it'll hit $500 after an AI car demo next week. Step 2. Choose call or put. You're bullish, so pick a call option. Step 3. Select strike and expiration. Go for a $470 strike expiring in 2 weeks, close enough to be cheap but realistic. It costs $7 per contract or $700. Step 4. Place the trade. Use a brokerage like Robinhood or Fidelity. Buy one contract, controlling 100 shares. Step 5. Watch and sell. If Tesla hits $500, your option's worth $30 sell for $3,000, a 328% gain. If it stalls at $450, you lose $700. Pro tip, use technical indicators like RSI or moving averages to time your entry. Some traders swear by weekly expirations for quick wins, but they're riskier. Always set a stop loss to cap your losses. Now let's level up with 2 beginner-friendly strategies to make money and manage risk. Strategy 1. Covered call. Own 100 shares of a stock like Apple at $200. Sell a call option at a $220 strike for $3, $300 premium. If Apple stays below $220, you keep the $300 and your shares. If it hits $220, you sell at a profit. It's like renting out your stock for extra cash. Strategy 2, cash secured put. Want to buy a stock cheaper? Sell a put option on, say, Nvidia at $120 when it's trading at $130. Collect a $4 premium, $400. If Nvidia dips to $120, you buy at a discount. If it doesn't, you keep the $400. It's a win-win if you're patient. Both strategies lower risk, but still pack a punch. Start small and paper trade first to practice. Before you jump in, here are 3 golden rules to avoid options disasters. So start small. Don't bet your life savings on a single trade. Risk 1-2% of your portfolio max. Know the Greeks. Options have metrics like delta, stock price sensitivity, and theta, time decay. Learn them to avoid surprises. Have a plan. Set profit targets and stop losses. Greed kills, don't hold a losing option, hoping for a miracle. Ex-users are split. A recent poll showed 55% of traders lost money on options, but 45% made bank with discipline. The difference? Planning and patience. Options aren't gambling if you play smart. So, options trading? A rocket ship to riches? Or a one-way ticket to broke off to the poorhouse? It's up to you. Start with small trades, use strategies like covered calls, and always have an exit plan. Try that Tesla call trade in a paper account and see if you can 3x your money. My advice? Mix options with stocks for a balanced portfolio. Leverage the upside, limit the downside. What's your options play for 2025? Drop your favorite stock or strategy in the comments. Are you trading Tesla calls or Nvidia puts? Let's hear it. That's a wrap on Options Trading 101. Did this blow your mind or what? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more finance fire every week. Want a deep dive on Tesla options or advanced strategies? Tell me below. Follow me for trading vibes, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep stacking that cash and let's make 2025 legendary. Peace out.